Hello, students. How are you today? I hope you are well and studying hard at home. Okay, today we will learn some more grammar. Today's grammar is a little difficult because there are so many rules and examples that we need to look at. So today I have broken the grammar into two videos. Okay, so we will study part one, and in video two, it'll be part two, and these will go together for this topic. Okay, so look at your screen and let's see what we will learn about today. Okay, so lesson 9, I'm stronger than you. So we will learn the language for lesson 9 in your textbook. Part 1 will be about adjectives. So it'll be an adjective review. If you don't know about adjectives, don't worry, I will teach you. But if you don't understand, make sure to watch the video again. Okay, and part 2 will be about comparative adjectives and making comparative statements. Okay, quickly, adjective is a word that we use to describe nouns, and comparative adjectives are adjectives we use to compare two things, and then making statements is how we put this all together. Okay, so let's start with our adjectives. Okay, so adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that we use to describe a noun. Okay, so remember, a noun is a thing. It can be a concrete thing that you can touch. So a concrete noun. Anything you can touch: pencil, pen, book, sandwich, apple, table, house. Okay, or it could be an abstract noun, things you can't touch. That could be an idea, a thought, a dream. Okay, you can't touch those, but they are things. Or a feeling, such as happiness. So that's an abstract noun. So, adjective describes a noun. Here are some examples. That's a beautiful car. So here, car is the noun, and it's colored green for nouns. Car is a noun, and beautiful is the adjective describing the noun. So what kind of car is it? It's a beautiful car. And this is an opinion adjective. Okay, underneath, I want a green apple. Okay, so green is describing the apple. Okay, a green apple. He is tall. He is tall. So we're describing him. We're describing him as tall. He, as the noun, is tall. Okay, there are many types of adjectives. So here we have an opinion, acting as an adjective, a color, a description of someone, their size. So let's have a look. You already know some types of adjectives. So colors: red, yellow, blue, green, pink, purple, black, white. Colors can be used as adjectives to describe something. Okay, a red apple, a yellow ball, a blue book, some green shoes. Temperature can be used to describe things. So hot, cold, warm, cool. a hot day, a cold juice, a warm swimming pool. Okay, so opinions. Opinions are things that we think about something. So beautiful, ugly, pretty, cute. Okay, for food we can say delicious. So this is some opinion adjectives, how we feel about something. Place of origin. So we can say Italian, Korean, French. So to describe bibimbap, we can say bibimbap is Korean food. Okay, so we use the word Korean to describe the food. And size, big, small, tall, short. These are all types of size adjective. Okay, so you know some adjectives, and there are many more, but these are pretty common, used often. Okay, so, and sometimes nouns can act as adjectives. Okay, we can sometimes use a noun as an adjective. So, flavors, we often use nouns as adjectives. So, blueberry is a noun. Blueberry is a thing, but we can use it to describe something. So, we have pie. What kind of pie? It's blueberry pie. Okay, so we're using blueberry to describe the pie. It's blueberry pie. It's this type of pie. Okay, chocolate is a noun, but we can say chocolate milk. So milk is the thing, and this is the type of milk, chocolate milk. And we can use it nouns as adjectives to describe a special use. Okay, so baseball is a noun. It's a sport. But here we are using baseball to describe the type of bat. Okay, what kind of bat? It's a baseball bat. Okay, soccer is a sport, but we're using the word soccer as an adjective to describe shoes. So we have some shoes. What kind of shoes? They are soccer shoes. Okay, you could also put a different adjective here. We could say red shoes, green shoes, but for here we're using soccer as the adjective to describe the shoes. Okay, so your challenge is to find the adjectives in these 5 sentences. Okay, so at home, I want you to pause the video and read the sentences and try to think which words in these sentences are adjectives. Okay, and we'll check on the next slide. Okay, so let's go through one at a time. Okay, so the fat cat smiled. So here we see the noun is cat, and we're describing the cat with the word fat. It's a fat cat. The fat cat smiled. Okay, I ate a delicious hamburger. So using the word delicious as an adjective to describe the hamburger. It's a delicious hamburger. I ran quickly to the red car. Okay, so car is the noun, and red is the adjective describing the car. This is an adjective of color, red. He gave me some strawberry ice cream. Strawberry ice cream. So ice cream is the noun, and we're giving some extra description with an adjective. And this adjective is strawberry. So this is a noun acting as an adjective. This is my purple hat. Okay, so here's the noun, hat, and we have an adjective of color here, purple, purple hat. Okay, so anytime we want to add more information about a noun, we can add adjectives before it, before the noun. So here we see we have the noun, and then we put the adjective right before it. So cat, adjective here. Hamburger, adjective right in front. Car, right in front. Okay, so you can always add more information to a noun by putting an adjective right in front of it. Okay, so let's practice. I want you to describe the following pictures using an adjective and a noun. Let's do these together. Okay, so let's look at this first one. Okay, so what is this? Okay, so it's a banana. That's the noun. And how can we describe this banana with an adjective of color? Yeah, this is a blue banana. A blue banana. So here's the noun and put the adjective right in front. A blue banana. Okay, let's do the next one a bit easier together. Okay, so this is a fish. This is a fish. This is a small fish. Small fish. So fish is the noun and small is the adjective describing the fish. A hot potato. So potato is the thing we are describing. And hot is a descriptive word describing the potato. Okay, this one is about chicken. So this is an uncountable noun, chicken. And we describe it with this opinion, this adjective here, delicious chicken. That looks really delicious. Okay, so have a look at this picture. First, what is it? What is it? Yeah, it's a car. And how can we describe this car? Yeah, I put two ways. We can say it's a fast car. So fast is the adjective describing the noun, car. Or we can say an orange car. So we can use an adjective of color, orange. It's an orange car. Okay, so let's practice making some sentences using adjectives. Okay, so here's an example. He is tall. Okay, so we'll describe him, he, as tall. And we're going to use the be verb in the middle. Okay, so these sentences are quite easy to make. You put your subject first, your be verb in the middle. So remember that's am, are, is in present tense. And then we add the adjective at the end. Okay? So this is good if you want to describe something simply, as in a sentence. So, I am hot. He is cold. She is tall. You are lazy. We are happy. They are tired. So for these, we need to pay attention to the be verb, because the be verb changes depending on the subject. Because we have I am, but we say he is or we are. So this has to change. So let's review how to change the be verb when we want to describe something using it in the middle. Okay, so I am hot. You are cold. He is blue. She is tall. It is delicious. We are hungry. They are expensive. Okay, so have a look at this table and try to remember how to match the subject with the be verb. This is difficult, but it will get easier over time. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so it's your turn. What I want you to do is at home in your notebook with a pencil, look at the prompts and I want you to turn them into full sentences. Okay, full sentences using the be verb, the correct be verb. So, as an example, we say they, that's the subject, and look at the subject table. So we have they are expensive. So they are expensive. That's a full sentence with the correct be verb. It, let's have a look. It, be verb, is delicious. Okay, so work through these. Pause your video and then come back to check your answers. Okay, so let's check together. So they expensive. They are expensive. It delicious. It is delicious. He blue. So we have he is blue. I am hot. You are cold. She is tall. And we are hungry. Great. Okay, I hope you got that. If you can't remember, you can come back to review. Okay, so next we need to discuss singular and plural. Okay, if we have one thing, we use one type of be verb. If we have more than one thing, plural, then we need to use a different type of be verb. Okay, so let's have a look. Subject verb agreement. This is really important in English. Okay, so singular, if we have one of something, we use the be verb is. If we have more than one thing, we call this plural, then we use the word, the be verb are. Okay, that's confusing, so let's look at some examples. Okay, so singular, one thing. So here we have one cup. The cup is blue. The cup is blue. So we have one thing. We use the be verb is. Is. And plural, plural noun. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 cups. 5 cups. So that's plural. The cups are blue. The cups are blue. So we need the are be verb. Okay, so contrast that. The cup is blue, just one cup, is. The cups are blue, more than one. So we use the be verb are. Okay, let's try a couple more. Okay, so this elephant is big. This elephant is big. Just one elephant. So we use the be verb is. These elephants are big. So this is plural. This is more than one. These elephants are big. Okay, so remember to change the be verb. Okay, so if it's one, we use is. More than one, we use are. Okay, so let's try here. Cats, cute. Cats, cute. So we can say, cats are cute. This is more than one cat, plural. This chicken, yellow. This chicken. So one chicken. So use is. This chicken is yellow. Cakes, delicious. Cakes. So more than one cake. Cakes are delicious. Mountains, tall. Okay, so is this one thing? Or is it more than one thing? Is it singular or plural? It's plural. We got the S here. Mountains. Mountains are tall. Okay, good job. Make sure to come back and review this grammar. Verb agreement is one of the most important things in the English language to master. Okay, so it's quite difficult, but very, very important, especially at middle and high school. You need to know how to use correct verb agreement with the be verb. Okay, so if you can't remember, you don't know, rewatch the video and practice. Okay, and then we'll move on to part 2 in the next video for our comparative adjectives. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Okay, bye. Bye, bye, bye.